Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're setting off from Bratislava on a trip to Danubiana Art Gallery and a walk on the banks of the Danube at Črnovo. Hope you enjoy the trip. The Danubiana Mühlenstein Art Museum was built in the year 2000 and is uniquely situated, as not only does it sit on a man-made island in the middle of the Danube River, but it is bordered by 3 countries, Slovakia, Austria and Hungary. The gallery specialises in modern art and is only 15 minutes from Bratislava. You can get here by the number 90 bus and on weekends in the summer months by boat, directly to the island. It's open Tuesday to Sunday and costs around €10. It's well worth a visit. The Danube at this section reminds me more of an ocean than a river as it's so vast, and the river is quite fast moving. So if you fancy something a little more adrenaline fuelled, there's also a whitewater sports centre and a slalom just across the road. Bluebells. A bit windy here. Gonna go down to the river, which we think is still part of the Danube. It's split both sides of us, so it's a unique spot on the Danube. Wow, you can get right down to it as well. Not been down here before, so it's all new. Ah, there are all rocks here, look. And we can go down to this bit. The reeds are good. Gosh, it'd be quite good if we could get over the rocks. Actually, there might be a gap just here. I'll try not to fall over while I'm filming. Doing a bit of rock climbing. Careful, Bella. I think this is probably part of the rapids. Not the best at rock climbing, so this is slightly tortuous. And some of the rocks are loose and covered in seaweed. Wow. That's amazing. A little island over there, a little beach. So from me, Doug and Bella, bye for now. Thanks for watching.